Yeah, I just saw something there. Yeah, look at this. It looks like quail out there, but they got to be kind of cold, right? So somebody's out there in the snow. Yeah. Out there in the snow on Moonlight Acres. And it's snowing. Boy, is it snowing. Enjoy. Alright, we got those look like quail again. Normal birds that fly. Quail, they'll run across the ground. Look at that. Hopping up. Feet cold? I don't know. Maybe. But it's the same group. Oh, can I? Ooh. Yeah, cold birds. Cold birds. What? He jumping up to get the... Oh yeah, he's jumping up to get the leaf or something on a tree. Well, cool. You better. I don't know. I ain't seen that before. Well. Look at that. Just look at that. Yeah, still jumping up on that. Evidently there's something he wants. Something he wants up there. Wow. Wow. Snowbirds. Yeah, they're snowbirds, ain't they? Oh, golly, I haven't seen them do that. Of course, those tree limbs are fallen limbs from an ice storm. I have to figure out whether they're quail or not. I mean, how can you tell? I can't tell too well here. You see him jump up there and get that stuff again. That's pretty fun, isn't it? Oh, wow. Well, about as close up as you're gonna get. And they're taking it off. Well, they're taking off. Well, there's one. Yeah. You guys look pretty fat. Boy. It's a snowing and blowing on Moonlight Acres.